Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tres Jolie channel, or my channel. I am getting ready to put my second project together this month for the Cards, Tags, and More kit. I am going to be using some of the tags that were in this month's kit, the envelopes from this month's kit, and a couple of the cards. As you can see, those envelopes make some rather nice pockets, and that's what I'm going to be turning them into. I'm going to be making just kind of a mini tag booklet. So I'm getting my envelopes cut in half, turning them into pockets. I have my Mini-Cinch that I'll be using. I don't put them together. They're not all the same size. That's what it is. I don't have my pages all the same size, so it's kind of not exactly neat and tidy. It's more to be fun. So to go with the tag booklet, I just use my We Are Memory Keepers corner chomper to get my tags or my envelopes and my card pieces to look like tags. My crocodile to add the holes and the eyelets, and I do come in with bright colors. As you can see, I use a nice bright orange for my binding wire. I have orange eyelets that I'll use, green eyelets. I'm just kind of expanding on the muted tones of the card kit and adding their bright counterparts. My first step was just to get everything together how I would be wanting them. I took them to my sewing machine. I stitched them together so they're not single thickness, they're double thickness. And then I come in here and I just started adding some of the rub-ons for some accent, getting my pages ready and decorated how I want them to look before I add my binding wire. For this particular page, I just used my 2-inch, I think it was my 2-inch punch to just put a little thumb tab in that page, which is actually a pocket page. I hadn't done all of my pages. I wasn't exactly sure how thick everything would come out in the end. So after I had those first set of pages done, I did come back and build up a couple more pages just because they would fit. And I don't have my binding wire all the way up. You can see I only have 6 holes just down at the base. So now with my binding wire in place, I'm just curling in the edges so that don't get poked by them. And then I come back and start just adding tags into all the little pockets I had made, just to see how many tags I had, how many tags I may need to add to make. Like the tag for that little pocket that has the thumb hole in it, I special made. I come through, go through my eyelet collection, and just start making sure that there's a tag in every pocket that has a place for them. And then to add some more textures, some more interest, I just grabbed up my tab punch and cut out a few pieces that I do sew together and sew on the edges of some of the pages. Plus I have this olive greenish fabric bit and some kind of a rusty orange fabric that I do end up using as page tabs and to go through the holes of the tags that I made that don't already have the strings in them from that tag pack in the kit. So I'm just using my Yoo-hoo stick just to kind of tack them in place, get them where I want them, some binder clips to hold them until I can get everything on, and then I just take the whole booklet over to my sewing machine and make sure that everything is well attached. For my final touches, I'm just coming in after everything's all together, seeing where I might be able to add a few little extra bits. So I add a few more rub-ons and some of the flowers that were in that little flower pack from the kit. I had considered adding some of those envelope stickers, but they don't make it in here. I do, however, use all 5 of those in my final project this month, which is going to be kind of a mini junk journal. I have a lot of the mixed media kit coming up in that one. So make sure that you keep your notifications turned on so you'll know when that one goes up, although I'm pretty sure it will be the last Thursday of the month, like the 28th. I'm pretty sure it'll be up on the 28th. I do add just a little bit of my diamond glaze to those flower centers just to help protect them being in the booklet. So now my little notebook, my little tag notebook is completed. A few places with just blank pages that you could put notes on, a lot of little pockets with some little tags in it. I hope you enjoyed this project and I gave you some ideas of what can be done using this month's cards, tags, and more kit. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up, and share this video. Thank you, and I will see you again next week with my final project for April, my mini junk journal.